Hey fam, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna start a new series, beginner makeup that's quick, easy, and simple. Brows are the window to the eyes and they frame your face. My goal is to show you how to achieve the perfect brow in just a few minutes. Let's talk brow science. There's a 3-point strategy to brow science. Step 1, the space between your brows should be the width of the bridge of your nose, meaning from here to here. Step 2, let's talk about where you want the peak and the arch of your brow to be. You go from the outer part of your nose to the center or to the end of your pupil, and that's where you want your peak to be, or your arch. Step 3, you want to go from the tip of your nose and follow along your eye as it angles, and that's where you want the tail of your brow to end. My first tip when you get started is to comb in an upward motion and over, and following along the natural grain of the brow to get started. Now I want you to follow along and see how you can achieve the perfect brow. There you have it. I just finished my brows. And now you are the expert and can recreate this look. One tip I want to leave you with. Remember, brows are sisters, not twins. Meaning, if you're gonna get into like, oh my God, it's like not exact, like this one and this one are not exactly the same, don't let your mind chatter go there and be like OCD like I can be. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now, fam.